Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 313. Using the new Environment Variables functionality wisely. In our last tip, we talked about the great new functionality that allows you to use Dataverse Environment Variables as the value for Power Pages site settings. In this tip, we'll look at why you only want to use this functionality when necessary. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. If you look at the Best Practices section in the documentation for using environment variables with site settings, you'll see a note about only using this new functionality for settings that need to change between environments, and not for all settings. It mentions that this helps avoid performance degradation. Why is that? If you don't use the new environment variable functionality for site settings, the value for the site setting is stored directly in the table used for site settings in Dataverse. So if you know the name of the setting that you want, you can perform a single query to Dataverse to get the value. However, if you're using the new environment variable functionality, getting the value is more complex. You need to consider not only the table used for site settings, but also the environment variable definition table and the environment variable value table. This additional complexity means that it will be slower to get the value of a site setting that uses environment variables as compared to one that does not. So, while this new functionality is great, only use it when you actually need different values in different environments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 313 on using the new environment variables functionality wisely useful.